So guys, as you can see, this is for the positive, this is our switch. So I'm connecting this wire to the red wire here, and this second wire has positive input, and here is our negative input guys. And this output, these two wires, we are connecting it here guys, this place and this place guys. Then we are going to cover it and test it guys. So as you can see, so I've used bolts and nuts to hold it guys. And here is our fan, and here is for the outlets. So let me quickly do that, and we are going to test our project guys. Guys, as you can see, this is our output, and I've connected it to the output socket. And here is our switch. As you can see, I've connected it to the positive, and here is our positive input. I'm going to put another wire for positive, and here is our negative. So we are going to pass the wire through here, then we are going to test our project guys. So that's it. So guys, as you can see, I've already connected our battery. This is 12 volts 4 volt battery, positive and negative guys. And this is our switch. So let me turn it on guys. So as you can see guys, the fan is working. So we are going to test the output now. So guys, as you can see, it is working. Our power bank is charging. So guys, as you can see, the power bank is charging.